Oh yeah, definitely game time. It's your boy Young Sage. How you doing? Let's see if we can pull this out the bag, get a little W or something right there. Oh, got one. Got one. He was sleeping. I don't like how they already got the center. You see how I just came on a piece? Oh, there we go. There we go, team. What you need, some cover fire? I got you. Get down. Good headshot. Oh, somebody see me from all the way over there. Y'all saw him? He was over there. Alright, well, let's see if I can clean him up real quick. Oh, got some company. Ooh, that is a beautiful onslaught. I'm gonna have to give you my gratitude up close and personal. Where'd you go? Oh, there he goes. Ah, he came right around the corner just as I needed to recuperate. I gotta go get him. I ain't gonna sit right with me. What I gotta do? Go all the way around the back. That's him right there, ain't it? Yeah, it is. Remember me? Sucker? Yeah, I had to break that combo. Hey, Jeff? How you doing there? Mm-hmm. Yeah, ooh, what you... Hey, Jeff? Ooh, ooh. Oh, you came with a little friend this time. Man, I need to call the Oracle. What are you... I'm not gonna do this with you. What? Why we get... Ah, he got the jockey. Let him get a little bit of his health back or something like it. Yeah, but you can lay down, sir. I don't know what you thought. Yeah. I'm gonna eat y'all up from the back. Pause. Let's see what's up. Ooh. I see you up there. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Sorry, man. I got the sniffles. I don't know what that is. It's gonna be all good. I'm gonna go take some. Oh. Don't even get me before I even get behind it. Yeah, this is like one of the nicest spots to be in. Ain't it? It sure is. I wish I could have saved him. Oh, wish I could have saved him. I'm putting mad hits on people. But I need to put him down, too. Gotta have that ready for next time. Ooh. No, sir. We're going to reload that. Yes, sir. Oh, Thantos. How dare you. I'm gonna come with you. I'm gonna come at you with the Infinity Gun. What? I'm gonna finally blitz you. But, ooh. I like my combo. Let me check out the Stantos. Can only snipe. Can only hit somebody with a snipe. Oh, look at how slow I'm running now. Ooh. Goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. This Santos is a... That's you. Goodness gracious. I didn't know Santos was a problem like that, boy.